Hey guys, my name is Luke. I am Megan's brother, and today we're going to be doing a craft. This is what you need. You need a half of an egg, a large egg, right?
This is what he's making.
And she's going to be doing something different. You need wood. Where could you buy the wood at?
You could buy it from Dollar Tree, or you want a lot like this.
Hobby
Lobby.
And
for $3.99.
And you need some bees. You can buy them at Hobby Lobby, right?
These was in, which kind were they? This was in the paper studio area, like where the scrapbook paper is. Or you could find them in the button area at the fabric area. So we have these two kinds. There's one that's like that. I don't know if y'all can see it. Then we have another kind. I think this is the
That's the paper studio one.
This one's the paper studio. Let me try to show you. It looks like that. And this one's the button.
And you need scissors, a glue gun, glue sticks, and this is what we're making today. It's just a small version of the big one we made, was it last week?
Yeah, this is the ornament that we have in the back right here. So what I'm making is this cute candle holder. This is what you need to make it. You need the same rope, or like Dollar Tree, or any way you want to. You need a bow. My mom made this bow for me. And the ribbon. This ribbon is from Sam's Club. It's like the ribbon that we used before. You will need some beads. This is from the paper studio too, but it's like a sticker, but like what we put right there. Oh, dropped. But this is it's just like got little flowers with it. Let me get this one fell off. You will need a glue gun, glue sticks, zip ties if you do your bow, scissors, and if you want a candle, you can put a candle on it. And that's all you need. Oh, and paint for both of them, and a paint brush, because you need to paint the black on it like we did on both of these. So that's all you need for our crafts. So we're gonna start. Oh, in mine you need a what's it called? Wine glass. A glass like this. We got this from Dollar Tree. So.
But you can get different ones.
Yeah, whatever you get it from.
But that's what we had on hand.
Yeah, that's what we had, and we wanted to be the same, so they're both this kind of glass.
Robin is watching.
Thank y'all so much for watching. I want to just thank everyone that is on Facebook watching the live, and the ones on YouTube watching the after video. Just, it means so much to me.
And I'm looking at my phone. I'm looking who says stuff and all that. That's why I'm looking at my phone on this side.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah. Alright. I'm sorry about these.
And sorry if we go in and out.
Yeah, if it's like...
Because we have been having a lot of problems with wind today. You live in like a gully. And would you call it a gully or valley? Valley. And we lose sometimes our house sometimes.
Yeah, we have a storm coming, so
the storm's already passed.
It is? Okay. But the power was gonna go out one time. So we wasn't really sure if we'd be able to do live, but good that we
it's just doing something crazy now. It's going forward, like you know how fast motion does. I'm sorry about that.
So I'm going to start gluing mine from the bottom to the top. The way you would doing the same to the bottom to the top.
Michelle said hello.
Hi Michelle, thank you so much for watching. How are you? So I'm going to put glue onto the vase. Or cup. I don't know. I keep whatever you're using for the candle holder will work. So I'm going to glue it.
That's going to... Why I'm using this because...
Yeah, Luke has the little fingertip thing so he don't burn his fingers.
I'm sensitive. My fingers are sensitive.
I know too.
I think everybody's fingers are sensitive.
But if you like do a lot of crafts, I guess your fingers get used to it.
And also, we want to say we do have a P.O. box now. Is that what you call it?
Yes.
And we do have it on, we do have what it is, or P.O. box number is. And you guys want to send us cards, like tell us about what's your favorite part of where you live at. And please, you can send it.
And also for the ornament contest, we got the P.O. box for that, so it'd be much easier for y'all to send it to us. So.
And also, you could send your card and you could tell us about what you want. You don't want to put it on here play. You could send us privately or send us a card about pray for these people and all that.
We could put it in our prayer box. I might do a prayer box on here, making one. But I'm still trying to figure out how I want to make it or decorate it.
That you could send your cards, could you? And we put that in the prayer box.
Yeah, the card in there.
Okay.
So, also, we are doing it for Luke's birthday. July 4th is Luke's birthday, so that's when we're going to tell who the winner is. Because Luke was excited, because I know on my birthday, he's like, we should do one for mine too. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take the ornaments to June 30th, right, Mom? And if you have an ornament and you send it to us, then you can just let me know and I can make sure we get it.
We don't have no I don't have no favorites. I'm just saying, yeah, I do, but I don't.
Who's your favorite yourself?
Yeah, Co's my favorite.
Yeah, Co is your favorite. I love you, girl. So I'm just going around in the circle. Hopefully y'all can see, because that's what I'm doing. Going around it. Hopefully y'all can see it. I'll put it right there. So let me move the rope so you might can see it better. So if I put it right here.
Yeah, you want to.
I don't want to take all your area.
You can do it. I did not tell you you could.
Because I want to make sure everybody can see your craft. So, everybody can see Luke, right? I can see him.
He has to move his rope a little bit.
I know.
Should I move this over here so it don't get in the way?
Yeah.
So everybody can see Luke's craft that he's making and...
What's everybody's favorite movie?
Yeah. We couldn't know everybody's favorite movie.
My favorite movie, I don't think that. What's my favorite movie?
I don't know what mine is.
It's between Avengers Endgame and also...
Michelle says she's doing good.
That's
It's
great.
Avengers Endgame and also Halloween. I know that is not a... That's a... What, it's a horror movie, but I like Halloween.
I like Avengers too.
I'm ready for the new one come out in October. The last one, The End.
Yeah.
And please tell us, what's your favorite movie. You're from another country, tell us what's your favorite movie from that country. Yep, that's spilled a little bit. Don't do what I do. Pick too much glue.
So that's what it's looking like.
Mom, am I doing it right? Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
We are going to have some 4th of July crafts soon too, but we've been just working on the bees because that's what we're decorating right now. We have a wreath that we are planning on doing, but we have to get the centerpiece for it.
And please go subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Scarberry Family, and we also do have it in our, on Facebook. What is it?
Craft with Megan.
No.
Or what?
Do we have the thing to go to?
No.
Oh, the link? Oh,
Yes.
I'll share the link. After I will share if people want to go to. We might have some more videos coming on there. Like maybe some cookie ones soon. Because we have some recipes we'd love to share with y'all.
Oh, we want to try to do that cake.
The cake.
Oh, man.
We might have to wait on that.
We'll let you make it.
Oh, that cracked.
It should be fine.
It's okay.
I think
glue
it's
guns.
just...
That glue gun's never worked right. Liz says hello.
Hi Liz, thank you so
Hi.
much for watching. How are you? So I'm just wrapping the wine glass.
This
in
is
the
a normal, is she?
Yeah.
All of them. And Michelle's the normal one too.
We have a lot of normal people. Normal. I mean, we have a lot of people come back.
There's that.
Yeah.
Everybody's normal. I'm just... I hope everybody's having a good day. We just got a rainstorm just like, was it an hour? Around 30, 40 minutes ago. We was in the 70s, now we're in the mid-60s.
Liz says I'm doing well today.
That's great. You okay?
The things don't want to work for me. Yeah, it's going to...
She says it's nice and sunny here in New Jersey.
Do you want to have the rain? I take that. But I think I'm done with the 80s. I'm ready for winter to come back. We reached 87 today. Not fun.
I'll weather it to be springtime.
I like it in the 60s.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I wish summer was cold. It's like 60s all year round, like Alaska.
Maybe it's like warm. No,
I wish we was like Alaska. Oh, there's a place in close to the Arctic, says 40 degrees all in, not 40 degrees, all around. In the summers it says 40 degrees, drops in the 20s. I wish we lived there.
That's kind of...
Look how much Megan got done compared to you.
I'm taking my glory time. Not.
But she's got a longer way to go than you.
Yeah. So I'm just wrapping it to look around the wine glass, or I don't know what it's called really. What is this glass called?
Is that a
I
wedding
think
glass?
it's a wine glass.
I thought it was a wedding glass.
So I'm just wrapping it around. If you just started watching, that's what I'm doing. Making a beehive. And Luke's making a beehive ornament.
I'm trying to make.
You're doing great.
This is why I hate crafts. I can't do crafts.
Yeah, you're doing great. You just make sure you're doing everything right.
Yeah. Drain. Renee.
Hi, Renee.
That's a normal, right? She lives in Michigan. I don't know how Mibble.
You can see different stuff than I can.
Oh, she said.
I missed you too.
It's a thing for you to be able to watch it today.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming on. Is that looking right? Is it a little wavy?
Yeah, that's how it'll do.
Okay. You can also do one that is smooth. This one has a little design on it.
Yeah,
because
you're right.
it's the only one.
Well,
It's still going to wane.
It is.
Yeah.
It's the only.
Oh,
It's the only kind we have.
Are you
Yeah.
getting
It would
snow?
be better if you had the plain ones.
Yeah.
Hey,
But this one's a big one. I don't know if they have plain ones this big. Do they still have this kind? I don't know. This is a pretty big one.
is it snowing where you are right now in Michigan? I'm looking at my app. And it has a lot of snow in Wisconsin. Are you getting snow up there? I'm crazy.
You can do any size of ornament. Like there's a little eggs you can do, and it can be a little smaller if you want.
Oh, she said something.
It is. We got about 4 inches so far. Luke, you would love that.
I wish you could sell it, but you can't.
Also, Cole would love that too.
Oh,
If he
I did
was,
not know a dog would love snow so much. That dog will sit out there and eat snow.
Yeah, like we make snowballs and we throw it, and he go chase them, and he would do that over and over again. He just loved chasing.
But when you do not do it for him, you throw it out of trouble. He gets mad. He's not happy about it. He loves his attention.
Yeah.
You want to switch one day? You give me the 4 inches, and I give you the 87 degrees. Being I don't burn my fingers today. I just jinxed myself.
At least you have the little, what do they call fingers?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called? Don't know. Supposed to burn your fingers. Also, in the ornament contest is Christmas in July. I forgot to do that. So it'd be a Christmas ornament that you can make.
Or could they make like
It has to be Christmas.
it has to be
Or
Christmas.
a beach Christmas.
You could have a Santa Claus.
Made out of sand.
No.
Snowman.
Renee says my dog runs away from the snowballs. I will switch weather instantly if I could.
You know, like I forgot what we're talking about. What was it?
The ornament contest.
And like we do it, you could get Santa Claus, get like a fake rocket, put him on it, and make thing and make an ornament. No, get like a toilet paper roll and make it out of.
You try and show us
Yeah, you
that.
should
Yeah, we
make
gotta
it. You
try
can
that.
show that to them.
No, you know, like put Santa Claus on the rocket because it's July 4 things.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you can add him.
Or put him on firecrackers or something.
Oh yeah.
That's right.
Like I seen some Christmas July ornament. Like you use starfish, is it? And you make it like as the top of the tree. I seen. It's pretty cool. Or like you make an angel out of like was it seashells? So ways I couldn't think what to call. I seen that and that was really cool.
I didn't know that. I was watching a thing about Lake Michigan and all that. I didn't know they can have 8 to 5 feet swell sometimes. I didn't know when they started putting ships into Lake Michigan and all that. They had in Canada. They had to make a thing around because there was a big river and it was a big rapids. They couldn't go through. They had to make a thing around it to allow ships go through.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I didn't know that.
And also, Michigan, the state of Michigan has the most lighthouses in America. I'm a history. As I jinx myself.
Would you put one on that finger? Like the one you're gonna touch.
Don't jinx yourself, Luke. You should tell me, Megan.
Are you gluing? Oh, you got glue on. Okay. She said she boats on Lake Superior. We have to make sure it's not going to be a windy day or we can't go on it. I live about 15 minutes from Lake Superior.
And like there's a lot of gale force wind warnings up there. Like Megan says a lot. I'm a person. I love weather. I look all around the states, and I see a lot of gale force on the Great Lakes a lot. That's crazy. I never know a lake has.
We kind of like the beach with waves.
And like I say, they have the most lighthouses. That's just crazy. You would think our coast have it, but that's just crazy.
So I'm about done for the bottom of it, but this is what it's looking like. Mine might not look perfect, but it still will look like a beehive at the end. Hopefully.
I'm sorry about my face. I just did a real face. I just got one. I'm so sorry.
You won't make a finish.
No, I'm fine. I just broke my finger and I just made the weirdest
You're
face.
doing great, Luke. Just which one are you using your finger, like touching it?
Don't touch your...
That's hard. You're trying.
You can glue it a little bit, add a little bit if that will help you. Oh yeah. Just hold it for a
I
few
should
seconds.
put glue in here. Make it glue to my finger.
Oh boy.
No.
Okay,
That would hurt.
It won't fall off.
That would hurt.
That would hope. Don't do that.
You don't want to get no 3rd-degree burns no more.
Yeah. The other day, I accidentally got my hand, and I hit the glue gun, and it's...
You didn't hit it. You shoved it in there.
I didn't mean to. I was trying to do something, my hand fell and hit the glue. So be careful when you hold it really bad.
Yes, there's a lot of winds on the Great Lakes. I boat to rural every summer. It takes us 2 to 6 hours to get there. Depends on the waves. Do you know about rural? Do you know about that place?
Look it up. I might know, but I don't know the name.
If you need it.
It's just crazy about. And also, I was watching a video about New York. New York and Vermont was fighting over the what is it called? What's it called? Come from? And maple syrup. They was fighting over
It's at the lake that she goes to, Lake Superior.
They was fighting over the maple syrup tree, and because they both have the same tree.
It's a big island near Canada.
Oh yeah, I know that because I looked at it. Is it a national park? Is it a national forest? I think I was watching something about it. Yeah, I need to stop looking up 2 minutes.
Have you finished?
No.
Now I'm working
Take my
on
glory
the
time.
bottom of the glass.
Anybody comes to North Carolina State, you gotta go to Mount Mitchell because we've been there like 4 or 5 times.
Yes.
You can go up there in April and it had like 1 inch of snow piled on one side, and
It has a lot of hikes too, if you like hiking.
There's like hundreds of trails.
She said yes, it's a national park. There are lots of moose and wolves on it.
Yep. I was just watching a thing. They was I was watching about a family. I think somebody was. I will look it up.
You did great.
You want me to finish?
I'm bad. You have already got it.
Yours is tiny, Mommy. Sometimes so.
But I like talking. It's I just like talking.
This way I'm doing it with this wicked. I'll slow down a little bit.
No, you don't.
Now you can finish yours and then I gotta. Do you know how to do that hook on top? No. You want to hand it to me or I'll show you.
About
Okay. You want to hand it to me and then I'll cut it and let you.
Give me a second, let it fully.
I'll see if we have a small.
Give me a glue stick.
Like a small ornament.
Oh, Mommy got it.
I'll give you one.
I thought I got my phone quiet.
So that's what it's looking like right now. Is anyone making any crafts today? If you make crafts, anybody watching?
You need some.
We're right there.
Glue this in here.
Okay.
To hold this here because it wants to fall.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for watching, everybody.
Yes, thank you all so much. It means a lot to us.
I'm sorry talking too much. I'm a person. I just love talking about and stuff. And I gotta take my family about it.
I'm the shy one. I don't talk
Yep.
that much. See it. I'm trying to make sure the right area.
There's the island. I just was watching something about that island. That's the island. I was just watching
You
something.
can show him.
The island.
Yeah.
This is the island she's talking about. That's the island.
Yeah. Okay.
You might be.
Renee said it's okay if you talk. We like the conversation.
And because I think that's the island I was watching. And they was talking about there was, I think it was something about cannibals or something was on the island or something like that.
It had that?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
I was watching it and I gotta find that video. And was watching it. It was about that. It was about that island or something like that. It was one of them.
Now you need to paint your little spot.
I was letting it dry.
Crazy people is, and here is the.
I might be wrong about the island, but I
We need
think
to
that's.
shake the paint. I'm gonna shake it. You can put a little. Make sure it goes up. Not the one. Put it back here. So it don't get painted.
Wow, it's a beautiful
She
place.
said, I'll send you some pictures of the island that I took.
Wow, it is a beautiful place.
She's going to send you some pictures.
Thank you.
Thank you. We love your pictures you sent us. It's so pretty there. So now I'm just wrapping the top of it. You just
Right
make,
there, Mom.
Wherever
you just
you
wrap
want
it right here to make like a little edge. Like, let me show you on this one. It's like a little edge to put the candle in it. It goes up a
Is
little.
that big enough?
You might look at the other one behind you. You might want it a little bigger.
You want to see this one? Sorry, I just moved because I thought the paint on. I'll put it on my side. Is that
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did
But
too
go
much.
ahead and fix the paint that you have on it.
Do you have a piece?
Oh, here's a, what's it called, white. I just put it there, so make sure to wipe your hands.
You might have to fill a little bit of that with paint.
What do we do?
Yeah. Want to? We was in like several years ago. We was almost to and you're not, and it's not even close, but we was going to Ohio one year. We was there, but then we turned back because, like, I think we kept on going. We would have got to, like...
We wanted to go, but we didn't.
We wanted to go see a lake in the lakes. It's Lake Erie, I think, where we was wanting to go. But then we decided not because...
Second.
But I'm just saying...
Let it dry.
Yeah, we need to go see Lake Michigan, Mom.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we could go to Michigan.
What is your guys' dream trip? My dream trip, and I'll ask Megan what's her dream trip, is Australia. My dream trip is...
Have the white, please.
Well,
yeah. Oh,
there
sorry.
it goes. Sorry.
Because I got black paint on it. I didn't see that. Hopefully they do.
What is your dream trip?
I don't know. I guess travel to different places, maybe.
I know what my mom's dream trip is, Hawaii. Bet you that's everybody's dream trip. Or New Zealand. One of them places. I love the videos.
Maybe go to Iceland.
Yeah, too cold for me.
I'd like
I like to travel to places, maybe. Yeah.
I also want to go see Scotland and all that.
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
The homeland. I think that's what they say, right?
I would love to go to places.
And Germany and all that. I want to go try Zell and on try like
Japan.
all the different kinds of food.
Yeah, that would be fun.
That's what
There's
salad.
some food I might couldn't eat, like seafood, so. But
And
Yeah, you
snails.
don't really like seafood.
Snails? No.
Oh, she wants to go to Ireland.
Ireland.
Oh yeah, that's we want to go to
Oh
Ireland.
yeah. That is a beautiful place.
Talk
It is
remains.
and the photos of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that would be pretty good.
Also, I want to go to the island of Man. The island of Man is a twin island, and it's close to North Island, but it's in coastal Wales around there.
I like go to a small area, like not like too popular, like you know what I mean, not like the city, but like a town, little towns.
I want to go to Switzerland because when we was younger, my mom, and we was looking at this book, and it had all this kind of chocolate. You know what I'm talking about, right? The kind of chocolate we like. We want to go there because, and now I don't like chocolate, but I still want to go there and see it because it's just.
Now I'm the one that not done yet. Luke's done. About.
I still gotta let it dry.
So now wrapping it on the back of the video.
What's your favorite part about Michigan?
It's hard to see.
And also, I want to go see the Poland, you know, Poland and all that. Why I want to go see Poland is because I want to go visit Auschwitz, right? I think it's called Auschwitz.
Like, you probably can't go around.
Because I just like, I want to just go see him like that because also I want to go to Normandy to just go see France.
She says she loves the Four Seasons.
You want to change seasons? You have 4 seasons. I gotta count how many seasons we have.
do.
We have 4 seasons, but 2 is the same season because they just want to be smushed together. Winter, it's spring. Spring, you just need 4 of them seasons like here in North Carolina. Cause
You can have like 7 degrees one day.
and drop down to 16 the next day.
So now we're going to glue on top of the glue to put it on. How many done?
You don't have to wait till it's dry.
Okay.
Well, just don't put it in it.
Did you see that? Did you see that video about the Alps? They said in what is that desert in Africa?
I'm not sure.
Forget the name of it. The Sahara. They said in the Alps in Switzerland, and they said 2 inches of sand, and was covering where you ski and all that. And they were skiing through it looked like mud, but it was snow. I gotta show you that video.
Might just do start with
Yeah, I
Let's
keep
say
him angling it.
point to string. There.
You gonna do it? I'm gonna do it for us. You can.
So I think I might cut it there. Does that look okay? So that's where we'll stop it. I have 3. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. If I can see more. Try to find my scissors. It's hidden.
Hey, what's your favorite movie, Renee?
That's what it looks like. So now we're going to add like the bow and the bees. And I'll paint it. Let me paint it first and then we can do that. So, what area? We look at that. See. I'm going to do that here.
You already got it done? That was fast.
So, I'm going to get some paint.
Do you have you made this before, or is this just a...
Mom made that one and I'm going to do it. I'm going to paint. Hopefully I don't spill it.
You can take your bee and set your bee on it.
Okay. Glue it, or...
Yeah, glue your
I'm going
bee.
to outline my circle.
Renee said something.
And then, so that's what I'm going to outline my circle.
Chevy Chase's Christmas Vacation.
You can.
Yeah, I'm fine.
He just
So
burned
does that look big enough? That's good.
Yeah.
You can make it how big you want it, okay? I'm going to go to the size. So,
You've watched that, haven't you,
Mhm.
Chevy?
yeah.
What's your favorite movie, Megan?
There's a lot I like.
I know one.
I like, I'm trying to think. I like the Avenger movies. And I like Tangled. And also Christian movies. We like them. We don't have like one that's like
What? I can't say it.
our favorite movies are different.
Yeah, that was good.
My favorite movies is
You said Halloween.
Halloween. I'm waiting for the one coming out in October, and also Avengers series.
Yeah, I like the Avengers. Or like, what's some other ones? DC? Is it?
I like the Superman and
Is that DC week?
yeah,
Okay.
DC.
So it's called? Yeah, what's it called? I was making sure I didn't hear you.
What is your favorite TV show, Megan?
I don't know.
It's not the Bridgertons, is it?
No.
My favorite
Did you get yours done? You want to show 'em?
That's what it looks like.
You can also add like a bow if you want to.
My favorite TV show is NCSI. Right? Is that right? NCSI? Is that the white?
Yeah.
NCSI Hawaii. They just come out with it last year, and I like it.
I don't know what my favorite is. I just like some ones, but I can't put their names on. If I see them.
And also, I forgot the one I always watch. I forget his name. Todd Chrisley. Chrisley knows best.
Yeah, you love watching that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what shows I like. I can't remember ones.
I'm trying to
I
remember
like
what.
old looking shows like. What's that one we watched? It's like Hallmark. It's that one called.
Oh,
Love
Award
Calls
Teak. Oh, I
The
thought.
Love Calls the Host.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
I like that one.
Wow, what is it? Wild. What is it?
And I forgot Award Tea Garden. I love that show also. Award
I
Tea
can't
Garden.
remember the name.
And it's on Hallmark. Did
Yeah, I
you
like
know
Hallmark
she
shows,
left
that's what I like.
Hallmark? You know Candace left Hallmark.
I like Hallmark shows. That's what I like.
You know Candace I
On
can't say her
different
last
ones.
name right. But you know she left?
I didn't.
I'm gonna shake this to see if it tries faster. Or you think it'll be okay if we get it on it?
She said something.
I'm gonna
Is
try
it Call of the Heart?
Yeah, I think that's yeah. I like that one.
Yeah, it's the Call of the Heart.
I couldn't think.
When Calls the Heart.
Yeah, I couldn't exactly.
She, can you read that?
I like the shoes from the 1960s. Like Andy Griffin, Hazel, Bewitched, yeah. Leave It to Beaver. They're nice, clean shows. That's
Hey,
Yeah,
I like that.
you know
Yeah, I like that
the Griffins was filmed in Mount Airy, right?
Yeah, Andy Griffin.
Yeah, it was filmed in Mount Airy, and it's close to Winston-Salem. And we never been. You've been. You have not. Oh, you've been before.
I like to go.
But it still has the house, and it has still the cafe, I think. They made everything the same. They left everything. You can go to the house, and also the guy, what's his name? The one, his name is Griffin. But
Andy Griffin, is it? What's his name?
He's not.
he died, but
Is that where he lived? Or so?
he lived close to the beach.
But where's the Does he have statue of him? Oh no, is that
I
something?
don't know.
I'm trying to figure
We're trying to figure out what Star Wars.
out. I think I'm thinking of Dog Walk.
Yeah. And also, did you know they have the car and the cop cars?
You're thinking about Dot
Well,
Walk?
It's like his statue. He has a statue, does
Yeah.
he? And
Yeah.
I thought that guy had a statue, like at that area.
Yeah, 'cause that's your,
Great uncle. No, great
Great
uncle.
uncle.
Not
Yeah.
grand uncle, Megan.
Some people call.
Just irritating you.
So does that look good? Because it's kind of not round all the way, but behind the real life is perfect. So don't put this on first. The bow. Put this. You
And
put that around.
I think they have the police station.
So we'll get the zip tie and zip tie it around. Can I put this in the back of it?
yeah, you could.
So I'm gonna zip tie it
That's-
on.
That works good.
Hopefully the paint don't get on it. You think the paint will get on it?
It should be alright. If it does, then it'll be on the back side.
Okay. We'll zip tie it. Try to make this real. I can see what
We do need to go up there, Mom.
Make sure it's even. I'm gonna look on there and see. Look at the screen.
Mom,
Is
what's
that
your
okay?
favorite TV show?
Mom.
Don't have one.
Wait, let's see.
I know what your favorite movie. Hallmark.
Yeah. So zip tied that. Wait, did I supposed to put that on first?
No, you're fine.
Okay. Then you cut a little piece of this.
Yeah.
So, what should I?
You used to watch a lot of the.
So I'll cut the ribbon to cover the zip tie. Okay, yeah? That's what I'm gonna do.
Hey, you used to watch a lot of the. Is it called the House of Perry? What is it called?
Little House of Perry.
Perry. You used to watch a lot of it. I thought you did. I thought Mommy did, did she?
Years ago.
You could do any size of bow that you want. It'll look great. You cut this now. How did you get Justin? Okay, like this.
Mom, you ready for May? Can you believe May is here? Just knocking on the door right now.
Mother's Day is coming. Not
2 weeks away, right? 2 weeks away.
Not this week, but next week, right? Can't believe it. Does that look right? Alright.
Yeah, that was cute.
Or do I need to make it a little bit thinner? Let me fold it in. A little bit. And then glue it. Maybe I can glue that first. And then I just don't want it up that way.
Thank everyone for the subscribers on the Scarberry. 393 subscribers.
I'm sorry I'm taking so long. Just trying to do it right.
We have had 14,768.
Watched.
Thank you.
Be
And we
good.
thank everybody for watching on Facebook.
Yes, thank you. Means so much to us. I never thought I would get this many people to watch me. When I started, I was like, no one's gonna watch me. But then met some new people and friends. I don't know if that looks right. Does it look good?
Yes.
So that's what it looks like. But you could do it anyway, this and then we're gonna do these.
You need to cut the thing in the back
Oh yes, I forgot.
and put your rope around it.
Around.
You gotta glue the rope on it.
Okay, to hide it. Thank you. Forgot about that. So I'm going to, you see the little white piece, we're going to put rope around it to hide it. So let me cut a piece of it.
The wind's not blowing anymore, is it?
Okay, I'm going to cut this part.
I did beat her.
Yeah.
You done good, but
You did half of it.
now you done the whole thing.
They could they cover it? They want to
Yeah.
put it, or would it fall in?
But there is a way that you can do it and take them off, but we glued ours on it.
Could you dye this, or is it too dark?
I don't know.
You can get different color rope, right?
Yes, I've seen it. They have the different colors at Hobby Lobby. They have pinks and they have blues.
That's crazy. Now, why did you not get a yellow thing?
I don't know on yellow, but I did see pink and blue.
It's a bit bad for you. But it's okay. No one will see that much. So there's that. And now I'm going to do the bees. One bee. We need one bee. It's a sticker. It's a sticker. You might need to glue it on.
Oh, yours are different than mine, right?
Yeah, we got different kind of bees.
You know
we liked all of them, so we got...
Could you cut, you got something, could you
so
cut a hole?
Right here at the bottom.
Could you cut a hole in it? Could you make your own bees?
What?
I'm asking, could somebody is really crafty like
Yes,
that?
somebody could. I don't know if I could.
Megan, you might, and Molly, you might.
If somebody had clay, they might make their own bee. Trying to make sure I'm putting them in the same area. So I'm just adding a little glue.
Or you're really crafty person and do
So
pottery.
Oh my goodness.
You do pottery, you can make your own, could you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
I want to try pottery, or whatever you say. I can't. English is hard to say.
And that's your only language.
I said no, I can't even speak my own language. But
I don't know how people speak 5, 6 languages.
I can speak no language when I'm home. If I try. I like speaking no one better.
Somebody might think we're saying another language, but we're speaking English.
My own language, I guess. It's the Megan language. There's it. Please don't fall off.
That's just a special language, Megan, you have.
Only that I can understand. So that is all of it.
I won't be able to understand what you're saying. That means I have the same language.
Yeah, it's the Scarberry language.
Yeah.
Now that's pretty, man.
And there's the candle holder. You can do it any way you want. My one's bright enough so you can fit the candle. So we're going to put this behind us behind what's side of the tree for the tree decoration. Or you can put it on your fireplace. That would look cute too. Also, I think somebody do a beehive.
What are you doing?
A beehive with the white rope. That might look really pretty too. So you can use any kind of ribbon. You can get the bee ribbon from Sam's if you want. But we like the sunflower with the bees. What do you do?
Don't ask me questions. I'm just doing it.
You gluing it on? Oh, you adding more rope.
Yeah, he wants another rope.
So this is what the
Oh, to make sure you have it covered.
And I was
Here's
going
the
to wrap
other
it
one.
around.
I wouldn't do
So
but
that's
one
it,
more. It should be enough.
So that's what the hive looks like. You can make.
Renee said they are cute crafts.
Thank you. Also, I'll make a video how to make the bee weave. Hey, Mom, will you get the bee for me to show? I'm going to make a video so y'all can see it more better instead of doing it live. Because it might be harder to see. Because you have to do so much to it, like zip tie it. I don't know. So this is what I'm going to make a video. Hopefully tomorrow I might. But if I don't, I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to try, Lord willing. But this is what I'm going to show you how to make on a video. And a live, I think for Thursday, I think we're going to do a cross weave. But I'm not really sure. But I'll try to get this video out tomorrow. Okay, y'all? Hopefully, Lord willing. But the cross weave is going to be like the green with green weave, like normal green. It's going to be like that one I made, but it's like with different green weave. And also, I don't know what we're making next week. We might make the 4th of July one if we get the stuff. So I think that's all we got today.
What's in March? Do we have any?
March?
Not March.
May.
I'm trying to get food.
Mother's Day. Yeah, I could think of some ideas.
Yeah, we might do Mother's Day one. Or maybe that other leaf, I might show you how to make that more better so y'all can see all of it. through the wire. And
he might need the other scissors.
you want the scissors?
Trying to figure out how to cut it.
You got it.
Seeing how to cut it short, you know.
Also, my mom made this cute ornament. That she made this. It's like a bigger ornament. We got the napkins from Hobby Lobby.
You're gonna show yours now.
Sweet as can be. It's really cute.
That's what it looks like.
If you want us to show you how to make this, we can. It's a piece of wood from Dollar Tree. They have packs of wood. And we put a napkin on it and put wood on it. No, not wood. Rope on it. So we might show you how to make that one day. What are you making? I just want to thank everyone's... What?
I gotta have the rest of that you do for the bee.
Oh, okay, yeah. Then we're going to use that for the bee too. I want to thank everyone so much for watching today. And please remember Jesus loves you. And I'm so thankful for all the ones who talked today to us. It means so much. It's like we have friends that want to talk. It means a lot. We love y'all so much. And have a blessed day. Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys. Thank you for joining us.